Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to add another account in Instagram. So click on your profile at the bottom right corner, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click the three bars at the top right, okay? And it will direct you to the settings and privacy. Scroll a little bit down until you see the login. You can just go ahead and click add account, and you can log in into an existing account on your Meta, or you can just go ahead into create a new account on Instagram and then follow along the on-screen instructions. Basically, that's it. So you could just go ahead and click login to existing account, enter their phone number, username or email, and then the password, and the account will be added to Meta. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.